Welcome to CINNOX. This tutorial will show you how to move visitors towards conversion faster by setting up a powerful web widget on your website. Let's start the web widget setup. After successfully creating your account, as an admin, you will be directed to your CINNOX dashboard, where you will see a user-friendly left side panel with icons arranged in an intuitive order to guide you through the necessary steps to get started. There are 3 simple steps. Create staff accounts and support destinations for inquiry management. Create corporate tag directories and customize your widget design. Install the widget. Let's start with the first step, staff management. From the bottom of the left panel on your CINNOX dashboard, click on Administration and select Organization. Under Staff, click the button on the top right to create account for your admins and agents. Fill out their details, including their first and last name, email, and role. Input their display name, which is what customers will see when they talk to the agent. Click Next and assign each agent to a destination or multiple destinations based on how they can best support customers. For example, you can select Call Center Staff and click Add to add them to the Call Center Staff destination. Later, when you create corporate tags to place on your web widget, they will direct customers to one of these destinations. The second step is to add a directory in your web widget for your website visitors and a link to your support destinations. Follow these steps. Click on Administration, then Channels, and select Directory. Click on Create a Tag and configure each tag according to your preferences. You can choose to allow customers to call and chat, call, or just chat with the agents in this destination. Give a name to each tag, such as Product Department or Customer Support. You can also upload an icon for display or choose the default option. Assign a support destination where the inquiries will be sent when customers click on this tag. For instance, you can link this tag to the Call Center Staff destination we saw previously in the first step. Next, toggle sticky routing feature on if you want to bind customers who click on this tag to the same agent that helped them before. Once set up, visitors to your website will see the directory and can easily navigate to the support destination that best fits their needs. For instance, if customers want to contact the product department, they can simply click on the product department tag. And if they want to get in touch with customer service, they can directly click on the customer support tag. To customize the appearance of your web communication widget, follow these simple steps. Go to the administration icon on the left panel of your CINNOX dashboard. Choose Appearance and under Widget Settings, turn on your widget display. Then you can activate the staff directory, which would allow customers to see the list of different service groups on your widget. Select what type of group you want to reach and contact them directly. Click on the English Default tab in Appearance page to display the widget information in English. You can change the language later if needed. Set a name for your widget. Ideally, this name should be 14 characters or less, but it can be up to 40 characters. Customize the header color of your widget to match your branding. You can select a color from the master color presets or use RGB and hex codes to match your exact color scheme. Upload a company icon or image that you want to use as a display on your main site. This is what people will click on to open the widget. Remember that you can make changes anytime with immediate effect for campaigns, promotions, or urgent changes. To install the CINNOX web widget on your website, go inside Administration on the left panel on the CINNOX dashboard. Under Widget, click Installation. From the right side, copy the installation code next to the web widget. Next, go to your website's backend and open the HTML markup editor. Paste the copied code above the closing tag of your website's HTML code. Alternatively, you can use one of our plugins for various CMS platforms. Once you have pasted the code, you're ready to go. Your CINNOX web widget is now up and running on your website. For more information and helpful guides, be sure to visit CINNOX.com and check out our blog, videos, and documents center.